until it's done. Until the...
Wala. Ganyan talaga mga chef today, nowadays.
Until the sugar melts. Of course, the... what do you call this? The pepper won't melt. Only sugar melts. I'm happy.
Ganyan
Okay,
talaga.
now you close. You close the sugar.
Kasi ba naman yun?
For it not to,
To ano?
yeah. Oh! You should be, careful not to waste some, yeah.
Ba't pa hindi ka makita, te?
Because I am...
Ang labo eh. Parang ang
Then
dilim.
you got to...
Walang
Let's
light
taste
yun.
this.
Ayoko nga!
For some... It's good.
Yok.
Masyado pang matamis.
Biglang Tagalog eh.
Put some more, vinegar, vinegar. And some pepper.
Ate, ano pag ginagawa mo, te?
I don't know what it is. Too much pepper. I don't know what I'm talking about.